In a decision split, we have two kind of data, which is very important for you to know. Whenever you define a decision split, you have two kinds of data. We have journey data and a contact data. Journey data is the sendable data extension which is directly linked to a journey. And contact data is a distributed data model you created inside the contact builder attribute groups, which contains relational data model with the standard and with the sendable and non-sendable data extensions. Like yesterday, we created our contact-based data model, added a survey data to that contact-based data model because we have to take decisions on the distributed data, not only sendable data extension which is configured inside the journey, but with the related data extensions as well. So we have used contact data. What is journey data and what is contact data? It is gonna be asked 1000% inside your interview. What is a journey data? A journey data preserves the state of data at the moment your subscribers enter the journey. It is a snapshot of data that specific time it is entered inside the journey. A journey data is nothing but the data which is configured inside the journey by default. Like you have a data extension configured, that is known as journey data. Now, any update on the journey data will not be listened by journey. For example, if you have some attributes predefined inside the data extension and you are taking decisions on the journey data, then journey data decisions will only be applicable at the time data entered inside the journey. If that data gets modified within that journey, if any attribute, suppose you have a boolean field inside the data extension which was initially false, but later you updated it to true, that new updation will not be listened by journey data. But on the other hand, contact data is a distributed data model which you can utilize for decisioning and is capable to take real-time updates as well. If you have any update inside the contact-based data model, that update will be listened. Like yesterday, we had filled a survey form, that is an update which happened after data entered inside the journey. So any updates which happens after the data entered inside the journey, if you want to listen, then you have to go with contact data. Contact data on the other hand is updated as journey goes on. In other words, it is the most recent data that is reflected in your data extensions. The most important example is the survey form. Any data that is changed inside the data extension can be adjusted to evaluate in decision spreads.